Here is the question. You see the question. There are two series. We are going to see one by one. First, an. You see this minus 1 to the power n. An tends to 0 if n tends to infinity. And the second thing is, you see minus 1 to the power n. This means that this ensures that this series means this is an alternating series. Alternating means one term is greater than 0 and the next term is less than 0, greater than 0, less than 0. This go in this way, the terms you see. So this is alternating series with terms having absolute value tending to 0. So this series is a convergent series. So this series is convergent. Now let us go for Cn. So let us see some terms of this sequence C1. N equals to 1. We have put n equals to 1. So we put here n equals to 1, here also 1. Then this will be k equals to 0 to n a 1 minus k into ak. So this will be a1 a0 plus a0 a1. If you put the values from here, a0 will be, a0 means a0. Putting n equals to 0, we have a0 as 1, and a1 means we have to put n equals to 1, so this will be minus 1 by root 2. So a1 is minus 1 by root 2 and a0 is 1. In the same way, 1 into minus 1 by root 2. Here you see both terms are positive. So both terms are negative, so the whole thing is negative. Now C2. If you see C2 means we have to put n equals to 2. So the thing will be C2, k equals to 0, n equals to 2 minus k into ak. So this will be a2 a0 a1 plus a0 a2. If we find a2 means we have to put n equals to 2, so then this will be 1 by over root 3. And a0, we have found a0 1 minus a1 we have find minus 1 by root 2, again a1, so again minus 1 by root 2 plus a0, these two are the same, so this again will be 1 by root 3 here. You see that in this all terms are positive. Here minus plus, so all are positive, so sum definitely will be a positive. In the same way, we can say that Cn, in Cn all terms will be positive or negative. So inside the bracket there will be a sum means if we put k equals to 0 here, then first will be an a0, thereafter it will be an minus 1 a1 and so on. This will go to a0 an. Now we put the values from here. An means this thing, so this will be plus minus. We have taken for the sign this plus minus, so leaving the sign aside, we have an will be 1 by 1 plus over root 1 plus n into n naught will be 1 plus an minus 1 will be 1 by factorial n over root n into a 1 by over root 2. In the same way here 1 minus 1 over root into 1 by root 3, so on this. Now if we let cn if we let lt n tends to infinity cn, then this can be written as plus minus 1 by n, and here 1n can be inserted inside the bracket, and this will be 1 by 1 by n plus 1 their over root into 1 by n over root plus 1 by 1 over root into 2 by n over root plus 1 by 1 minus 1 by n over root into 3 by n over root to infinity. Here sum to infinity, and we know that for this we write, for this thing we write, here you see 1 by n, here 2 by n, here also 1 by n. For 1 by n, this 1 by n, 2 by n, 3 by n, we write 1 plus x over root, and for this 1 by n, 2 by n, 3 by n over root x dx, and integration is from 0 to 1, and we know that this limit is not, this integration is not going to be 0. So nth term of this series is not going to be 0, so this series is divergent. So B is our correct option. This series is convergent and the second is not convergent.